guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul for y'all. I honestly don't even remember what I ordered. I mean, I know like the brand, but all right, let me pull. All right, as you can see, I got some goodies. So first, I got a whole bottle of the Ibd Clear Gel. And what I like about this is that the refill, I can just add it to my pot, which you can see I use it quite a bit. So I need to refill it, and when I go to mix colors, I can just essentially squeeze it out instead of using, like, picking it from the jar and creating more bubbles. So super, super excited for this bad boy. Who would I be if I didn't buy more Jimmy Gel, right? Who would I be? So I used up almost my last one, or no, my second to last one, and I'm on my last backup. I bought 4, and now I'm on my last one, so I had to buy 2 more backups. I also picked up another shiny top coat because this is my favorite top coat. And then I also picked up another soft pink as a backup. So I haven't gone through my first one yet because I still love clear, but sometimes I just want a little pink, okay? So definitely excited to have a backup of that bad boy. So these are kind of like the boring parts, I guess. Let's actually, I'm gonna do a separate video on these, but I will essentially open them. So I picked up Gelish, their structure, which is their builder in a bottle. And ironically, I originally, like back in the day, like probably 2012, give or take, I got their structure gel in like the little pot, and I was like, it has to be soak off. I don't want to damage my nail. Yeah, no, I probably should have gotten way more into it then, and I would have had great nails from then. So I got cover pink, translucent pink, and clear. So I want to see essentially how they compare to the Jimmy Gel and other soak offs I have. I have Madame Glam, and I also have Luminary. So I have quite a few different builder in a bottles and IBD, so I have quite a bit. Okay, this is literally like the only glitter I have picked up probably in the last 6 months because I have so much glitter, like I should say in a hard gel. But I saw this. Y'all know I can't open things. And I had to have it. It's fine. It'll get around. I probably have one similar to it. I don't even care. Look at this. It is so pretty. Like I have Tipsy 2-step on my pointer finger over my, I don't remember the name of it. It's from Nail Addict. I don't remember the name. It's the orange that is in one of my hauls. I'll link it somewhere. But let's swatch this. Again, scrape it on. And then I'm gonna come in with a larger bead. This color or glitter is absolutely stunning. This I think is a pretty unique color. I feel like, I'm sure I watched Talia's video, let's be real here. She is the queen of swatches and like compares every single color she's gotten in the last like 10 years. And so I must have saw this one and it was probably pretty unique. Honestly, I don't remember because I just keep things in my cart until I have enough things to buy and then I purchase them. Where before I used to just purchase because I didn't have any colors. All right, so we have Fresh to Death. This, I believe, was in their latest buttercream collection, and I think this is like what prompted me to order was the fact that I filled up my cart essentially with the last colors here. And like I said, I've been really enjoying buttercreams or color on top. Because of my lifestyle now. AKA, I have no time for myself. So, clear layer. And usually you want to paint on these gels super thin. I do find this one is a little sheer, which I think is usually not the case with buttercreams. So you're definitely gonna want 2 coats with this. I mean, it's still super thin. I'm not sure if you can see. Maybe right there you can. Yep, 2 thin layers worked perfectly. Next is Hear Me Roar. Let's try this one. This is actually more mustard than I expected. It's probably, I would say this is sunflower yellow. If that gives a good comparison, it's not like super bright. I would say sunflower yellow. And I would do 2 thin coats with this one as well. They just melt together so well. I love buttercream. Next is Super Freak, because apparently I don't have enough corally pink colors, so it's fine. Yeah, definitely thicker than the last 2 and has a little bit more coverage as well. Yeah, this is what I think their normal buttercreams are. Like you can do it super, super thin, or you can do it little generously and it's perfect. I would say the green was definitely the most see-through one out of these 3. All right, I definitely want to just peek at these. Can I? There we go. So this is Cover Pink. Okay, so it's like a dusty kind of pink. I can probably get down with that because that leans a little bit cooler. And if you've been with me, you guys know I like the cooler side. Oh, this is the clear. Come on. Oh, I ripped it last time. So this is the clear. A little bit runnier than Jimmy Gel. And I'm absolutely okay with that. That looks like it's gonna be nice. And then translucent pink. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, I can't wait to play with those.